I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 recovery error problem. On this window, just select troubleshoot, then select advanced options. Now you have to click on startup repair. Wait for some time. Then you have to choose an account to continue. Then enter your password and select continue. It will take some time. Then select advanced options. Now click on continue. Again wait for some time. In the next step, click on start icon, select here and just click on restart. Then keep pressing F12. It will take you in boot manager. Then select Windows boot manager and hit enter. It will take some time to complete its process. Go to search bar and type CMD. Right click on it and select run as administrator. Then select S. Now type these commands carefully. Type prompt and hit enter. Then type sfc/scan file equal to c:/windows/system32/ieframe.dll and hit enter. Then type sfc/verify file equal to c:/windows/system32/ieframe.dll and hit enter. Then type ASSOC and hit enter. And finally type exit to close the command prompt. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.